everybody. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Today is Thursday, December 8th. I'm going to continue with the intensive that I was doing on the S&P 500 technical analysis yesterday. So yesterday we talked about how the S&P 500 bounced off of our trend line up here and then came down. And we said that if there was going to be buying pressure here, we expected it maybe to make its way back up to the top of this zone at 39.80, but I was thinking more so even towards 4,000 because that was more of a psychological number. And if we even cracked a little bit above 4,000, say to this 4,025 level, people might think that this is just a continuation of this bullish trend and that we would break through this trend line, or they just are ignoring the trend line. And that's what I said yesterday. And it looks like from what we had today that, the market's going to bull up a little bit and maybe trap some more people in before it potentially sells back off. Is it going to sell back off? I mean, it might not, but I mean, it really looks like it's going to. That's my personal opinion, not financial advice, but it does look like we're going to head into another leg lower. I wouldn't even be surprised to see us hit the 3250 at some point. And I think that this is all just a last little hurrah before we get killed again. And if you want to see something similar, I hate when that happens. I accidentally moved our zone right here. Sorry. So that was at the 39.85. So we just a hair higher. All right, so look right here. See, we had the big bull run, and then we had a little sell off, and then it started coming back up. People were like, "Oh, it's just a continuation," and we got killed. And guess what? This happened right after an FOMC meeting. This is right before an FOMC meeting, right after an FOMC meeting. We are about to have an FOMC meeting next week, so we could have this little run up and then get killed. That's what I think is going to happen. Again, not financial advice. That's just what my personal opinion is. So that's what I'm looking at on the stock market. We're going to continue to just be looking at this technical analysis because it is the most important. It's the bread and butter of what's going on in the market right now. It's a mix of market psychology and technical analysis and just overall fundamentals, valuations. Valuations are still over the historical average. So all that is telling me that this market is probably headed lower, and we'll continue to look at this very closely every single day. And for now, I'm switching it up. It's going to be a little bit shorter, a little bit more to the point, cut out some of the BS. So that's what I'm looking at. I hope everyone had a great day. Hope everyone has another great day tomorrow. I appreciate anyone listening or watching to this episode, and I will see you all tomorrow.